Hello, this is Dr. Young. I'm going to go over your week 1 work. So hopefully you'll look at, you've reviewed the discussion rubric video that I posted. If not, go ahead and do that. Because you'll need to know how that breaks down as far as grading, and it'll give you an head start on getting really good grades on your discussions. Anyway. But your discussion paper, or your discussion questions this week, they're a little bit different than other classes. So what you're doing here is more of a self-reflection. So we're going to take a few minutes to write down some of your ideas about leaders and leaderships, and then you're going to complete this questionnaire. So this is what you're going to do, and this is just going to give you a little bit of insight on your own beliefs on leadership. So just complete that, and then after you've completed that, you're going to ask at least 2 people that you know to give you their definition of leadership and describe their beliefs about leadership. Then you're going to go to the SUO library, and you're going to look for a peer-reviewed definition of leadership and include an analysis of that definition. And then you're going to talk about all of these things that you've done and how did it either confirm or challenge your personal leadership perspective. Did it add anything to it? Or what would you remove from your initial perspective after doing all of these activities? That's what you're going to write about. It's an essay, 500 to 600 words long. And then you're going to talk about whether you think it's something that's innate or something that can be learned. So that's your last part of the initial post. So you're going to do that, and when you're doing that, make sure that you've looked at the requirements. You need to use sources for everything that you post for maximum points. So make sure that you use it. This is obviously you're going to use it, but if you're going to respond to classmates, you want to use a source to back that up as well, whatever response you're giving them. So that's your discussion. Then you're going to do your week 1 project, and in this one you're going to complete a team assignment. You have to find a team. So you're going to form a group or select a team to join. Each week you're going to be asked to perform tasks or analysis in your team. I would read ahead as this suggests, because this is an ongoing assignment throughout the term. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is join a team or form a team. And then you're going to answer the following questions. You're going to have a purpose. What are you going to do? And then talk about, basically answer all these questions in detail. So this is your week to form a team and figure out your role, what everyone else's role is, what's your goal, what role are you taking on, and what's your purpose. So that's really all you're doing this week. Then we're going to get into activities later. 3 to 4 pages that does not include a reference or a title page. In this class, it's only talking about content when we have a page range. We're not talking about anything else as far as APA style. It's the content of the paper needs to be 3 to 4 pages. If I were you, I'd probably do a little more. Some people are really good at getting to the points needed, and some people aren't. So it's very subjective when it comes to the 3 to 4 pages, because you could write me a paper that's like, tells me everything I need to know in 3 pages, and then some people write me a 4 or 5 or 6 page paper and don't get to all the points that, or the questions that need to be answered. So again, but I would be as detailed as I could possibly be, probably. Well, I shouldn't say that because somebody might hand me a 15-page paper, but I would try to be detailed when answering these questions and staying on the topic. So anyway, if you have any questions or concerns about that, let me know. You can email me, you can text me. Both of those get to me faster than posting something in the question answer area. But there's no question too small. So please let me know if I can help you with this assignment or your discussions. I want you to do the best you can in this class. So anyway, thank you for listening and have a great week.